Hi, my name is Beth Barker, and this is my bucket list tracker. The stack I used for this project was JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Express, Node, and PostgreSQL for my database. I'm also using Axios to send requests to my database in bit.io. This website was designed to let a user make a bucket list and see which items they have already completed. You can see here when you first open the web page two lists, one for things you want to do before you die, and the other showing things you've already accomplished. At the top of the page, there's an input field that lets a user enter in a new bucket list item. When this Add to Bucket List button is clicked, the new item is added to the database and appears in the bucket list container below. If a user changes their mind and no longer wants to have that item on their list, then they can easily remove it by clicking on the Delete button here. If a user then completes an item on their bucket list, they can click on the Mark an Item Complete button, which pulls up this form. In this form, there's a drop-down to select the specific activity that you accomplished. Let's say we rode in a hot air balloon. It then asks for an image URL and gives the user an opportunity to write some details about their experience. The text items aren't required but are optional to let a user go back and remember how they felt or what experiences they had that day, kind of like a journal entry. Once the Complete button is clicked, the form closes and that specific item is taken off of the bucket list and added to the accomplished list here. If a user wants to see all the items they've accomplished with the photos and details they submitted, they can click the Show Accomplished Details button. When the button is clicked, every item in this list appears below with the picture and details the user entered. Here's that hot air balloon one we did right there. This is my bucket list tracker. I hope you enjoyed watching my first project completed at Dev Mountain.